Hello everybody, it is August 31st, 2024, and I'm out on Manistee Lake today. I'm going to try something today. This is my 1984 Evinrude 6-horse, and I'm going to try to do a comparison run, GPS run between this one and my 83 Johnson 7.5. So I'm going to run this one first, and then I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to take off. Well, I'm going to try running the 7.5 and see how the speed compares. I'm kind of on the other side of the lake right now from where I launched, but I'll be kind of quartering away from the wind. It's a little bit breezy. It's not too bad. The lake's pretty good still, but the wind affects the speed here. So I'm going to try to minimize the effect. So anyway, let's fire this one up, and I'll take it across, and then we'll see how it does, and then I'll switch, and we'll see how the other one does. This little 6-horse always impresses me when I run it. I'm on my 65 Alumacraft FD, and it's got the controls in it. Not that that really adds a whole lot of weight. I've got a full tank of fuel in the front, and this one by my feet. We're getting right about 13 miles an hour. Saw just a shade over once, and mostly, 12.5 to 13. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed with that, as always. So let's see how the 7.5 compares. All right, I got the 7.5 on. We're gonna back out here and get back where I was before, and then we'll make another run and do the comparison. All right, I got the little guy running. It's fired right up, 2 pulls, and we're heading across the lake to get back to where we were with the 6, and we'll see how this one compares. Try to do this as close together as possible because the wind is starting to pick up today. Get as even a comparison as I can. Okay, we're back across the lake, right at the same spot we started out with the 6-horse, and Pontoon boat just went by, so we might encounter a little wake as we go across, but shouldn't matter too much. This one feels like it might have a little more grunt, but they're pretty close. Got a boat crossing ahead of us, so I'm gonna wait a minute. That wake is going to matter, so I'm gonna have to slow down for that one. All right, let's try this again. That boat wake's right in front of me now as I backed up. So we'll get through that and then we'll give her some throttle. So it looks like the 7.5 is just slightly more powerful than the 6. They're very close. This one holds a pretty steady 13, and the other one, 6 horse, likes to fall off and drop just under 13. So these are very close in performance, though. So that's good. That's what I wanted to know. I hope everyone else enjoyed this learning experience with me. Until next time, thanks for watching, and keep your prop out of the mud.